Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's we will discuss what's forecast next in gold pair XAU USD. Now I am in daily chart. You will see this support. This is two support become resistance here, and also there's a bullish bearish engulfing creating here. Okay, now price is going to the downside. Let's go to the one hour chart now. Okay, I move to the 1 hour chart, and I am moved to the line chart. Okay, if you don't see clear picture in candlestick chart, you can move the line chart. Okay, let's create a line, this line, and also in this line. This is also high low high low low. This is a famous pattern in Quasimodo pattern. So that's a retest area. I am focusing this area. Now I am moved to the candlestick chart again, and candlestick chart, this point is there's a 3 support in left side. It will be resistance here. This is my first point to price come to retest and move to the rejection to the downside. It's my first opinion. And then there is a Quasimodo reversal sell point in here. Okay, there's a Quasimodo QM reversal sell point in here. Price break this point, and price move to the this, and rejection is in here. This is my 2 target point to the price become reversal. This is my 2 target point. That's the forecast. My forecast in gold XAU USD. There's a 2 major point to price retest and reverse to the downside. So my opinion is price retest this area and rejection to the downside is a sell opportunity in gold. You can trade with your risk management and money management well, and take a trade with lower time frame confirmations. Thank you very much for being with me.